Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because I have a special story to share with you today. It's about a mighty lion and a tiny mouse.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a proud lion named Leo. Leo was the king of the jungle and feared by all. One day, while Leo was sleeping under a big tree, a little mouse named Max ran over his paw by mistake.
What did the lion do?
Leo woke up with a roar and caught Max with his huge paw. Max was very scared and begged Leo to let him go. "Please, mighty Leo, spare my life. Maybe one day I can help you in return."
A tiny mouse helping a big lion?
Yes, everyone laughed at the idea, but Leo was amused and decided to let Max go. He thought, how could a tiny mouse ever help me? Days passed, and one day Leo got caught in a hunter's net. He struggled to free himself but couldn't.
Did Max come to help?
Yes, he did. Max heard Leo's roars and rushed to the scene. With his tiny teeth, Max gnawed at the ropes and soon freed Leo from the net. Leo was very grateful and realized that even the smallest creatures can be of great help.
That was so brave of Max.
Yes, it was. Leo thanked Max and they became best friends. Leo learned that everyone, no matter how small, has their own strengths and can be helpful. From that day on, Leo treated all the animals with kindness and respect.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, no matter how small you are, you can always make a big difference. Now, let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.